ginger. Okay guys, so we're going to be using this ginger to make our tea. Okay, so we're going to put a lime to make our tea. Right, there we have our lime. Okay, so we're going to be making our lime, ginger and cinnamon tea. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is I'm going to cut my lime into a wedge. Okay, and I'm actually going to be putting it in my mortar here because I'm going to pong it. Why am I doing that? I want to release some of the oils that will be in the skin. So that's why I'm going to do that. All right. I'm just trying to take out the seed here. Okay, I think, there you go, that's it. This one doesn't have any seed in it. Okay. My piece of cinnamon, I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna pong it as well because I want it to help release the oils in it. And the ginger that we picked from the garden, I'm gonna take, I'm not gonna use all of it, I'll just use half. So we're gonna peel this and we're gonna also pong it as well. Okay, so here we have our ginger. I'm just gonna leave it like that. All right, so let me move this to the side. Bring this here. Okay, so what I'm gonna do now is just pong and smash everything. Oh, I have a cut on my finger. The juice from the lime is coming out. All right. All right, at least we bruised this a little bit, right? Everything got a little bit of bruising. Good. So now we have our teapot here. It's an infuser. I will leave a link in the description where you can get one like this. And so now we're going to put our contents here into the infuser part of it, the strainer part of it. Right? So we have that there. You see that? Okay, so what I'm going to do now is pour my hot water in. Nice. We're going to cover it and we're going to leave this to steep for about 8 minutes. Okay? Okay guys, so I'm going to pour out my tea now. Now the thing about it is that you can leave the contents yes, so you can leave the contents in the infuser throughout the day. What I'm going to do actually is I'm going to put my own in the fridge so that throughout the day I can pour out some in a glass and drink it. But this one, I'm going to have this one warm right now. Of course, you can drink it just as is. I would recommend that you do drink it as is. I'm not going to add any sweetener to mine. And if I was going to add a sweetener, what I would have added was some honey. But I'm going to drink this just as is. So this is our lime, ginger, and cinnamon tea. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.